Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in Among Us application. So make sure that your application is up to date using the Play Store or App Store according to your device and launch the application. And then to start, go to the settings menu. You'll find it in the left-hand side of the screen that is between My Account and Credits. Go ahead, select Settings. Now you'll get three different sections of general, graphics, and data. Go to the data section that is beside graphics. Now here you'll get the option of language. Go ahead, select the drop-down menu and you'll get the list of languages that you can choose from. Select one that you prefer and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and change language on your Among Us application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.